Hello guys, it's me Rapi Sam Steel, and today's vlog guys, we have a new collection of bag from PGYTech. So again guys, this quick vlog, I'm gonna show you our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new bag from PGYTech. So yan guys, but again, before anything else, if you like photography, if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and hit notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So, without further ado guys, but again, before we start and jump to our bags, the new bags, if you like this background sound, yes, this background sound, please check the audio. Yes guys, the audio is a music platform that you can download tons of background music, sound effects, and yeah, background music and sound effects. So again guys, but there's a twist because you have two cool AI inside the audio. Again, they have the link match, which is you can link any music from YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram maybe, and if you want with a similar song, you can copy the URL and paste to the link match, and the link match will give you a similar music beat, something like that. But it's similar with the moods and everything. So the style, it will be similar for the music that you want, and yeah, and the link match AI will recommend some music that match similar on your music that you want. Yeah. And another cool AI is the Hans AI from audio. The Hans AI is like a script, or for example, if you want something like you will type a concept, then the Hans AI will give you or recommend you background music or perfect background music that suit on your script or on your item that you type from the Hans AI. So again guys, if you want to check if you want to avail a 70% off, just click the link in the description, and you will get 70% off, and 70% off for Audio Pro in 1 year. So again guys, if you want to avail the 70% off, go with the description, check the link, and put the save 70 for the code. Yan. So, let's jump guys into our topic for today. The new bag here in AB World, which is PGYTech or PGTech. And I have 6 bags, new collection now here in AB World. So, let's start now guys. First on my, in my front here is the PGTech Camera Insert XS. So, I think this is, for example, if you have your luggage, or if you have your normal bag, and if you don't want to buy an extra bag for camera, special camera bag, then this Camera Insert XS is good to buy. So you can put one camera and even two lens. For I think if you are using a full frame camera, it will go one camera plus 24-70 or 24-105 and one extra lens. But if you have a small camera, APS-C, I think it will fit one camera and 2 lens. So again guys, this is the Camera Insert XS. Yan. So next is, let's see here, we have this one. It's a camera top loader. So this is the camera top loader. I think this is like a sling type bag. Yes, it's a sling type, and it will fit one bag and one camera with the one lens. So if you have full frame camera with the 24-70, 24-105, this is the perfect bag guys. If you don't want to bring all your gears, and if you want only just one gear, then this is one of the best bag guys. Again, this is the camera top loader. Yan. So next, we have also here, okay, yun, it's the PGYTech Camera Insert S. So I think S, it's small. Yeah, this is all insert. Like you have small, I think medium and large. So this is the camera insert S. Yeah, so you have your divider here. Okay, so you can put camera lens if you don't want again to buy or to purchase. If you have already a backpack and if you want to use your backpack and put your camera, this is insert is the best bag collection. So it's not yeah, it's not totally the backpack, but at least you can use this one to put in your travel bag. So yeah, this is the camera X insert S. And the next one, it's, I think this is medium, because yes, camera insert medium. So we have the small, yan, we have the medium, and the large one is large. Yun. So small, medium, and large. So this is the, again, this is the small, the medium, and this is the medium, guys. So again, if you want to put mirrorless camera with 70-100, 4 lenses more, then yeah. So this is the medium, guys, and this is the biggest we have. Insert is the large one. This is the large insert. And so again, I think this is perfect bag for our Peak Design PGYTech bags. We have also PGYTech backpack. So this is the large, guys. Ayan. So this is the large. Yun. So again, we have 3 size, small, medium, and large for the insert. And next, the last one is this cool travel bag, guys. And there's a twist on this, guys. This bag, this is the PGYTech roller camera backpack, because this is a roller and convert to backpack. And see, you have your backpack here at the back. Yon, this is the backpack. So you have a bag, the backpack, and there's a twist, guys, because the roller is detachable. See the roller? You can detach the roller. If you don't want to use the roller, you can remove the roller, guys, and use as a normal backpack. So yeah, it's cool to have this kind of bag, guys. So yeah, this is our new bag collection here in AB World. So again, if you want to check the price and availability of these bags, you can visit here in, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So again, guys, if you want to check the price and availability to all the PGYTech product, come visit us here in Megastore Showroom or visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan, guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.